Hey guys, had the motor fall apart on me and I crashed. So I'm going to show you a trick to get these little C-clamps installed in the motors. They're really small, quite a pain to get on, but I'm going to show you a quick tip. So let's go ahead and take this motor off. Actually be able to access the bottom. Alright, cool. Got the motor unmounted. We're gonna go ahead and put the motor in. So let me take this prop off first. So I'm just gonna take the prop off to make it a little easier on it. Surprisingly, the motor broke apart, but the prop did not break. Alright. Let's go ahead and put the motor back together. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the washer on first. Alright, so my personal tip for these clips is get some spider wire fishing string. This right here. It's a new spool I'm going to be using for this tool. I'm going to cut 2 small pieces. There you go, 1. And 2. Okay. So I like to use snap swivels in these tools. You can loop the spiral wire around this end and be able to pull at this clip up here and get a good grip on it. Do you anywhere? There's over here. It's also on. So that right there's 1. See, I've made a loop spider wire, which now you can use this to hook around that C-clip and pull. Just go ahead and make a second one real quick. There we go. Get the second knot tied. And we've made our 2 tools here. So we've got the snap swivel, a small loop fishing string attached. Let's go ahead and get a C-clip. So now you gotta get the strings inside of there. So I have this little skinny part up near the top. Focus. Go ahead and do that. You do it by pushing on one end, so separate it, and you slip right in. So there's 1. See, I've got it looped around the string. Little focus, there we go. Let's get the other one looped around it now. Alright, cool. So you see, we got our 2 snap swivels and our strings, which we can now use to pull this apart. And open it up and put it on the motor without bending it and deforming it with pliers. Let's go ahead and do that now. We're just going to pull apart. And help you push it down with your thumb. Got it on there. So, got the C-clamp attached here. we go. Using these simple tools you can make. Just snap swivel on a tiny piece, fishing string. I used 20-pound braided line. I don't know why that just zoomed in. 20-pound braided line, it'll fit around there quite easily. You can go ahead and get your clamps on, fix your drone motors.